Did y'all see a lot of these egg farms have been burning up around the country, around the world, really. You know, places with like 100,000 chickens, 100,000 chickens killed, 50,000 chickens killed, and this one. A lot of egg. Why are the egg farms burning up or getting destroyed? Well, turns out in a new study, they found out that eggs create antibodies to the boogie V. Eggs create a certain enzyme or whatever that's an antibody. It's not an enzyme, but an antibody that kills the boogie V.